Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Steam controller settings. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To change Steam controller settings, you can use the Steam Big Picture mode or the Steam desktop client, and here's a guide on how to do it. Using Steam Big Picture mode. Step 1. Launch the Steam client on your computer. Click on the Big Picture mode in the top right corner of the Steam client. Step 2. In the Big Picture mode, go to the bottom left corner and click on the menu to access the Settings menu. Step 3. In the Settings menu, choose Controller Settings. Step 4. If you have multiple controllers connected, choose the Steam controller or the one you want to configure on the non-game controller layout section. Step 5. You can configure various settings by clicking Edit on the selected layout if you have controller, including button mappings, sensitivity, and more. Explore the options and customize them according to your preferences. Step 6. Once you've made your changes, make sure to save them. Using Steam Desktop Client. Step 1. Launch the Steam client on your PC. Step 2. Click on the Steam in the top left corner of the Steam client and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, select the Controller tab. Step 4. And here you can configure General Controller Settings. Click on General Controller Settings to access more options. Step 5. Choose the controller you want to configure from the list. Step 6. Personalize preferences like configuration support, desktop configuration, and guide button behavior. If you have a controller, you can find these options. So in my case, as I don't have a controller, tailor your configuration settings based on your preferences. Step 7. After configuring your settings, make sure to save the changes. In-game configuration. Step 1. Some games may have specific Steam controller configurations. Step 2. While in-game, you can access the Steam overlay by accessing the Steam button on your controller or Shift+Tab on your keyboard. From there, you can select controller configuration to customize settings for that specific game. Step 3. You can also explore community configurations shared by other users for popular games. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.